All right, good people, guys. This is another video on how to find the trading zones. Already, guys, you know how to do that with support, guys. Remember when the market react in a certain level, guys. So when the market react in a certain level where the market is tapping and it may reverse, so you should not trend at these zones here or here down, guys. All right, you need to trade in clean zones, guys. Remember, every time in support you need to wait for a reaction to take place. In support you need to wait for a reaction to take place, and in resistance you also need a reaction to take in that place. You should not trend at that time, guys. So I will not make video too long, guys. Remember to watch video on how to identify the support and resistance, on how to identify the market session buyers every time as I'm a session or a day trader, guys. I trend on my based on sections, guys. So I will take you direct to the chart, and for you to understand when do you trade and when do you trade where there is a clean move, guys. I will take an example of a trend that I took on Friday, guys. Today is on weekend. I will take you on a trend that I took on weekend, guys. So every time, let me take back, guys. So we are there, we are back, right? We are back, guys. So I will take an example of a trend that I took, guys. Yes, this is the trend that I took, guys. So very nice. Let me use the higher time frame to see. So I always use the higher time frame to find my LTI, low traffic zones, where there is no resistance, no support. The market is clean every time, guys. So what you need to find in LTI, guys, you need to look at the previous move or the history of the market previous, how market went in that move. So I will take an example here, guys. So remember, this was a very clean move. This was a very clean move here. So the market moved clean. There is no resistance. The resistance was based on here, the low here, guys. So this was the resistance level. So remember, this was a very clean move. When there is a clean move, I looked for buy, knowing that there is nothing to make the market react. So my TP level was at this point here, guys. Yes, my TP level was let me show you, guys. So my TP level was in a certain place here. My TP level should be here, right? So you can see how the market moved. Market moved very clean. So the market moved at that clean zone and the reactant in a resistance. So that is, you should trade only when there is a clean move, guys. Let me take an opposite trend of that, guys. Let me take you an example when you're trying to trade where there is no clean move. So take an example. You want to take a trade based here. Let me take this move here, guys. So let me say that you want to take and buy position at this point here. Yes, you are here. You want to take a buy position here. You need to do your markup and know the market will react at this point. You can see the market reacted and it came and it may stop you out. You know, so you should need a very clean move where you shouldn't target. See, the market reacted. It is respecting this support here. So that is not a clean zone to trend on to, guys. Let me take another example of a clean move, guys. I want to make it a 5-minute video for you to understand more. Let me use another time frame, that is a 1 hour time frame, guys. Whenever there is a move, this is a trend that I took another day here. Yes, a very nice move. Let me take you to another trend. I always trade my trends in LTI zones, low traffic zones, guys. So let me take an example here. So this is a low traffic zone, nothing to make the market it is a good example is there, guys. So this is a very good example. This is a low traffic zone. So what happened? This is a very clean move. What happened? The market replicate that move up to the downside, meaning there is nothing to stop that market. As a forex trader, you need to trade where there is a low traffic zones, where you see a clean chart. I'm a price action trend every time. This is part of my strategy, guys. Remember, this is continue watching this video and you will get it every time, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Trend Chap Trend Wisely every time.